Most people don't realize how much modern gadgets have changed everyday life, from how we travel to how we relax and play. Today, the gadgets you were waiting for are finally revealed. I'm Miraz, and you're watching Miraz Tech. Subscribe now and let's explore some seriously creative innovation. First up, we have something absolutely perfect for every anime fan who's ever dreamed of bringing a piece of their favorite show right into their living room. This is the Dragon Ball Replica lamp, and it's so much more than just a light source. It's a glowing, radiant orange crystal of pure nostalgia. Imagine the legendary Dragon Balls from the series, but now they cast a warm, inviting glow across your space. It's perfect for a bedside table or as a centerpiece on your gaming shelf. The attention to detail is stunning, with the iconic star pattern clearly visible even when the lamp is turned off. It's a conversation starter, a practical nightlight, and a must-have collectible, all rolled into one. Just don't expect it to summon Shenron even if you manage to gather all 7. Still, it's the kind of gadget that instantly sparks joy and makes any room feel a little more magical. Now let's leap from cozy bedrooms to open water with a gadget that seems to defy physics, the folding boat. Yes, you heard that correctly, a fully functional boat you can fold up. Picture this, a sunny day at the lake, but you don't own a trailer, a big truck, or have storage space at home. Problem solved. This innovative craft unfolds from a compact package into a sturdy vessel ready for fishing or paddling. Made from tough, waterproof materials, it locks securely into place, giving you stability without bulk. And when you're done, it folds neatly back down, ready to slip into your trunk or closet. This isn't just a boat, it's freedom, perfectly packaged for adventure. It's the kind of invention that makes you rethink what's possible when design meets practicality. Speaking of portable freedom, meet the mini Keychain Lite. We've all fumbled for keys in a dark parking lot or tried to spot something under a dim table. This tiny powerhouse solves it instantly. It's a bright LED light that clips onto your keyring, always ready to help. Rechargeable, durable, and so compact you'll forget it's there until you need it. It's one of those brilliantly simple gadgets that once you start using, you'll wonder how you lived without it. A gadget so small yet so impactful, it proves that sometimes the tiniest tools make the biggest difference. It's the kind of everyday helper that earns its place in your pocket without question. From portable light to portable comfort, this is the Swivel sofa chair. Imagine the plush comfort of a luxurious armchair, now with a smooth 360-degree swivel base. It's the perfect command center for your living room. Want to chat with someone across the room? Spin. Watching a movie and need your drink? Twist. It combines the cozy feel of a sofa with the dynamic movement of a high-end office chair. Ideal for lounging, reading, or even working from home in serious style. It's the kind of chair that makes you rethink what comfort really means, because once you sit down, you'll never want to get up. But what if your need for freedom extends beyond your living room? Enter the electric folding bicycle. Think of it as your pocket-sized transit upgrade. With electric pedal assist, steep hills and long distances become effortless. And when you reach your destination, a few quick folds transform it into a compact size you can roll into your office, take up an elevator, or tuck under your desk. Say goodbye to bike theft worries. It's eco-friendly transport, healthy exercise, and brilliant space-saving design all in one. It's not just a bike, it's a lifestyle upgrade for anyone who values mobility and convenience. Every ride feels like a blend of freedom and futuristic design. Switching gears from transport to friendly competition. Remember Tic-Tac-Toe? It just got a high-tech makeover with this electronic game unit. No paper and pencil here. Sleek, lit-up buttons, a smart digital brain, automatic scoring, instant resets, and even solo difficulty modes. Perfect for coffee table fun, wedding rooms, or keeping kids entertained without screens. A timeless classic cleverly reimagined for modern play. It's proof that even the simplest games can feel fresh when paired with clever design. It's nostalgia with a twist, and it's endlessly replayable. Now let's move from playful to powerful. Our next gadget commands respect, a fully functional katana. Not a flimsy decoration, but a meticulously crafted blade with razor-sharp edge, solid full tang, and traditional handle wrap. For martial artists, it's a training tool of unmatched quality. For collectors, it's centuries-old craftsmanship in your hands. The balance, the weight, the silent presence, it embodies discipline, tradition, and breathtaking skill. Holding one isn't just owning a sword, it's holding history. It's a reminder of artistry and discipline that has stood the test of time. For a more playful kind of power, check out the Bubbles Axe. Yes, a fantasy-inspired battle axe that shoots streams of bubbles at the press of a button. It's a guaranteed hit at garden parties, picnics, or backyard play. Whimsical design plus endless bubbles equals pure fun. Proof that the coolest gadgets don't always have to be serious. Sometimes joy itself is the best innovation. It's the kind of gadget that makes kids laugh, adults smile, and everyone feel a little lighter. Let's get serious again, this time about upgrading your car. Meet the Car HUD, or Heads-Up Display. It projects crucial driving info, speed, navigation, and even call alerts directly onto your windshield. No more dangerous glances at your dashboard or phone. It connects seamlessly to your smartphone and projects a crisp, clear image. Every drive becomes safer, more convenient, and let's be honest, it makes you feel like you're piloting a fighter jet. It's futuristic tech that makes everyday driving smarter. Once you try it, you'll wonder how you ever drove without it. Finally, let's end with a gadget that redefines walking itself, the walk cycle. Imagine strapping sleek, motorized devices to your feet. With each step, powered wheels give you a boost, extending your stride and propelling you forward. It's not a scooter or skateboard, it's an augmentation of natural walking. The sensation is incredible, like gliding above the ground. Long walks to the subway or tours of a new city become effortless and exhilarating. Personal mobility reinvented from the ground up, and a glimpse of how technology can transform even the simplest human motion. It's futuristic, fun, and practical all at once. So, which of these gadgets amazed you most? Was it the folding freedom of the boat, the nostalgic glow of the Dragon Ball lamp, or the futuristic stride of the walk cycle? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this tech adventure, hit subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss what's next. Stay curious, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next one.